Welcome to Bobcat Forever. We're down at the farm again, shooting several different 22s. And this particular one is a Mossberg 715T, and it has a red dot on it. I don't know how I'll do with the red dot, but we're going to try it from 50 yards. See if we can hit some of this steel down here. It's been quite a while since I've shot this gun, so not sure what's going to happen, but we're going to give it a try. Now shooting the Mossberg 715T from 50 yards. Got a Bushnell Trophy red dot on this, so we'll see how that goes. I think I actually hit the big steel. We got hit too. I think we're shooting a little high. We'll see. I actually hit that one. I think I hit that one. Probably missed that one. Might have hit that one. Might have hit that one. I doubt if I hit that one. And that's one mag worth. Yeah, on the 3-inch steel, I have a hard time actually seeing it. I suspect I missed it again. And that's all that one wrote. I don't think the red dot's off by very much. I may have missed that one. And that's all that one was. I'm having quite a few misses on the small steel. think I have an issue there. And we'll try that again. All right, that's all she wrote. Probably just as well. I was heading down towards the smaller steel. So that was fun. Well, that was fun shooting with the red dot. It was a bit of a challenge for me down here on these small ones. The red dot pretty much covered the piece of steel. Looks like maybe I hit a couple of them, but it was really kind of hard to tell from back there. But anyhow, that was fun. Thanks for being here, and we'll hope somebody views it when I put a video together. So everybody take care.